It's the Par and Brent Show. That one was better. That was better. Beautiful. Hello, darling. Did you guys notice anything different?
No, you have to not point it out.
Oh. Did you guys notice anything different? I dyed my hair back to blonde.
But we're gonna try really hard to recreate this look. Oh baby, look at that.
It's called a tie-dye eye.
Tie-dye eye.
I found it on Facebook.
I tie-dye. Tie-dye eye tie.
Her name is Jazzedbyjazz Tutorials. And
she's beautiful.
She's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful angel.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. On hell. On hell.
On hell?
On hell.
Angel.
Angel. Angel.
So my approach to this is I think I'm going to put some concealer on and slowly work my way down.
Thinking I might use that white base.
That's smart. Okay.
Okay.
It do like that sometimes.
It do be like that.
It do like that.
I feel like this is gonna be a hot mess.
We're gonna be using
the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil. Is it Take Me? Yeah, it's Take Me Back to Brazil palette. This used to be so popular.
Dun, 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 dun.
Miss America.
Did you guys like Bryn's purple lights?
Aren't they cute? I've never had them on in the background before.
Well, now we do. Changes.
Surprise, mother trucker.
Through changes.
I'm just gonna use this Little Makeup Forever translucent powder to set my eyeballs because I don't want to use a banana powder. The noise is you. You're like, that's what you do during your makeup. You're like,
I'm gonna start with blue, I guess. Baby blue.
Baby blue.
So I think I'm gonna start with one of these colors. Or like this color mixed with that. Which color are you gonna start with?
I don't know yet. Hold on.
Alright.
I have to finish this.
It always takes like time and I'm just like,
why did it work on this eye and not the other eye? I want to know. I'll just have to redo the other one.
Okay. I'm kind of nervous about it. Go.
Oh, nope. They look about the same now.
I'm gonna start going into the darker color blue now because this is probably as good as mine's gonna get. Bryn's has more pigment because she decided to go with white, which is so much smarter than my move. Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. We're eating brownies. Now we're gonna do our foundation. We're gonna do our foundation.
No!
Sorry.
That was so rude.
Sorry. Whoa! I could chug this whole thing.
No.
Good, but my belly hurts. I got halfway. But usually I can chug these things when my belly's not filled.
There.
Dun, 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 dun.
I'm gonna use the Becca.
Is this too much?
Yeah, you definitely don't need that much. You always put too much primer on.
Well, at my house I put a lot.
It's from Ulta. From Catrice. What?
This is, okay, Wet n Wild Contour.
Okay. This HD Liquid Coverage Foundation from Catrice. You can purchase it at Ulta. Beautiful. And this is the Morphe's new concealer.
Oh, I didn't even put concealer on yet.
You'd use this on your eyelids though.
True. Just kidding. Do you have Laura Mercier?
No.
Are you setting with that? Oh, you don't have it?
No.
Where'd she be at?
Nowhere. I have that Too Faced one. I'm just gonna use this because.
Oh!
What?
You shouldn't have done that, Bryn.
What?
Bryn.
What?
What do you mean, what? What do you mean?
Do wrong?
Look at me. Flashback Mary.
It's okay, we'll cut it out.
I hate you.
It doesn't usually do that to me. You have to wipe it away. You literally just put so much on with your beauty blender and didn't even wipe it away. Not with the beauty blender.
Bro, that's what I do at home.
Can you
give me a bronzer brush?
Wait, what kind do you want?
One for bronzer?
That.
Thanks.
Stop. It's so sad because, like, I genuinely, not to my full potential, but I tried. Like, I gave some effort.
I didn't.
And it hurts that it looks terrible.
What hurts the most? Yeah.
I literally just tried to use this as a mirror.
Show them what it is.
It's the top of my powder.
We're on You Now and YouTube.
YouTube. No one's gonna click on this. They're gonna be like, those weird.
Really, because one time I got like 2,000 people. Sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I really didn't know you were doing that.
Right. Click what?
So yeah, we didn't do the greatest with this challenge, but we tried.
We did our...
We tried.
We actually didn't.
We did try. We dare you guys to try this look out. Take some pics.
Yeah.
You know?
Just be a daredevil.
Yeah. So.
And hopefully don't fail as badly as we do.
Yeah.
Couldn't get worse,
So thank you guys so much for watching. This video is a little different than usual, so I hope you guys enjoy. And yeah.
Yeah, we're switching up the game.
We'll see you when we see you next. Bye!
You couldn't get close enough.
Okay.
Thank you.
But tonight, me and my friends, we got money to spend. Me and my friends, we got money to